Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ham pasta salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, like rotini or elbow macaroni, and 1.5 cups of cooked ham, diced into small pieces. For the dressing, grab 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. These simple items form the delicious base of our dish. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your 12 ounces of pasta until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. Once cooked, drain the pasta and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and cools it down quickly, preventing it from becoming mushy. While the pasta cools, ensure your 1.5 cups of cooked ham are diced into small, uniform pieces. This preparation ensures a great texture. With your pasta cooled and ham diced, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled pasta and the prepared ham. Next, in a separate small bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar until smooth. Pour this creamy dressing over the pasta and ham mixture, then gently fold it all together until every piece is beautifully coated. This creates a rich, flavorful base. Almost there. Once your ham pasta salad is thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This crucial chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the salad firm up to the perfect consistency. Before serving, give it a final gentle stir. This dish is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a simple, satisfying meal. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade ham pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.